Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Myself Padma and today we will be seeing how to prepare cabbage bhajja. Cabbage bhajja is an easy to prepare tea time snack. I have used cabbage and onions for the preparation of this dish. This is soft and spicy dish. You can have these bhajjas either as such or along with tomato ketchup or even coconut chutney. It is easy to prepare and requires less time. Coming to the ingredients, you need 1 cup finely cut cabbage or even you can grate them. Then you need 1/4 cup of finely cut onions. For the batter you need 1 cup besan, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida or hing, water as required and salt to taste. So wash and cut the cabbage into thin longitudinal pieces. Peel out and cut the onions into small pieces. Keep aside. For preparing the batter, add besan, chili powder, turmeric powder, asafoetida and salt and mix well. After adding the water, mix it very well to form a medium thick batter. Then add the cut vegetables to it and mix well. If the batter becomes watery, add some more besan. If the batter becomes thick after adding the vegetables, then add some water to loosen it. Now preparing the cabbage bhajja. For that, heat oil in a kadai for deep frying. Add small handful or small spoonful of cabbage bhajja batter into the hot oil. Do not overcrowd the cabbage bhajja while frying. Flip over and fry till they look golden in color. Remove the bhajjas with a perforated ladle. To remove excess oil, you can use a strainer or kitchen towels. You have to repeat the procedure with the rest of the batter. Your cabbage bhajja is ready to be served. Serve it with tomato ketchup or coconut chutney or you can even have it as such. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.